Hi, I'm Renee and I'm a line chef at Crave Restaurant, and this is Simply Local. Simply Local is about taking our favorite Trinbagonian dishes and turning them into something fantastic. Here I take simple ingredients and prepare them by giving them a local twist. Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Local. So guess what? Carnival is right around. I know Christmas was just here, we just went into New Year's, but Carnival is back, guys. And I know everyone is going to be watching their figures, going to the gym, watching your diet, and we're going to make something for that. So we're going to make a nice soup for you, a nice hearty soup, and the main stars are Pak Choi and beef. So I'm just going to walk you through the ingredients. We have Pak Choi. I have some nice lean round cuts here of beef. I have pumpkin, onion, I have some green seasoning, so I have celery, shado beni and side. I have garlic and ginger. I have some carrots here, salt, black pepper. I have cuisine soya bean oil, and I have cuisine succulent burger seasonings. Now I know a lot of people don't know, but Cuisine, the brand, has a lot of different dry seasonings, so you can check them out in your local Massy stores. Right, so let's begin, guys. So this soup is gonna go quickly. First thing we need to start off with is actually the beef. So because we're gonna stir fry it, we wanna cut it really nice and thinly as possible. So you're just gonna take your knife and run it through and just get nice thin slices. It's really good to have really sharp knives around, because without a sharp knife, it's gonna be really difficult to get these nice thin slices, and it's actually perfect for the stir fry that we're doing. So we have our nice thinly cut pieces of beef here, and I have the wok here on a medium heat, and we're gonna add our nice cuisine soybean oil. So we want to make sure that the oil is really nice and hot, and we're going to add the beef to it now, right? Just add all your pieces. And here's where we're going to add all the seasonings. So I'm going to add, I have salt, I have some freshly cracked black pepper. And so here's where we add our cuisine succulent burger seasonings. And we're just going to give it a quick mix here. Right, guys, so like I was saying before, because it's actually really nice and thinly sliced, mix with the heat, the beef, mix with the heat, the seasoning is actually going to, marinate and get into the beef really nicely. So you don't have to worry about seasoning the beef before. I know a lot of people are going to ask me why we didn't season the beef before, but it's actually not needed, and it will taste just as great. You're going to see in the end. Right, so we've just given the beef about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're actually going to see, because it's so thin again, it's going to cook really nice and fast. Right, so to this, we're going to add the vegetables now. So I have some onion, I have garlic, I have ginger. The ginger is actually going to really help this dish and give it a nice taste. And I'm going to add the shado beni. Leave some, you're going to leave half the amount. And I'm actually going to add all the celery. Give this a nice stir. Now we're going to add the pumpkin. So just about another 3 minutes again, guys. I just gave the pumpkin a little bit of time to break down. Now traditionally, people won't put pumpkin in like a nice stir fry, but it's Simply Local, and I wanted to give it a nice local twist. And to be honest, I really love the color that it brings to this dish, so I'm really glad that I put it in. Right, so now we're gonna add the water. Just gonna put just enough to just cover it. And guys, this smells really nice, really, really nice. Okay. Now I'm going to add the carrots in. I put it more to the end because, I want the carrot to cook, but to have a nice crunch to it remaining. And I'm just going to stir this in nicely. So we give the carrots about 2 minutes to cook a little bit. Now we're going to add the Pak Choi. Now it looks like a lot. Pak Choi always looks like a lot, but it's actually going to simmer down and look really nicely in the dish. So you're just going to give that a quick mix as well. Pak Choi is something that doesn't take long to cook, so that's what I put it into the end. And we're going to add some more water, just a little bit more water. Last two items that we're going to add, I'm going to add some soy sauce. and I'm gonna add some chive. So we're just gonna give that a mix. And it's that simple, guys. That simple. Okay, so here we have it, our pak choi and beef soup. And just for the final touches, I'm just gonna put some chive in it, some fresh chive. I remember I told you to hold that bandana, just some fresh bandana. Just the way I would like it. And a little bit of soy sauce. Right. So let's try it. Guys, visually, like I said, it looks amazing. Let's see. It's hot, so I'm just gonna take my time. Guys, this is going down so good. Would you believe you're actually getting the nice mix of all these seasonings, green seasonings, that ginger is coming out, but the pak choi is gonna give you that strong, nice flavor. So I'm gonna try the beef with it now. Guys, you're not missing any hint of seasoning at all. It's seasoned really nicely, and these nice thin slices is really nice and soft, and it's really good for this dish. I'm really enjoying this, guys. It's really good. So here you have it, guys, the pak choi and beef soup. As always, the full recipes on eattofoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook on eattofoodtt. I love hearing from you in the comment section down below. Let me know what you like to put in your pak choi and beef soup. If you made it with any other spices or any other vegetables, just let me know down in the comments. Until next time, guys, bye!